Ever wish you could protect your brilliant ideas within a PDF from being copied? Today, we're locking down your documents. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to prevent unauthorized copying and printing of your PDF files, keeping your intellectual property safe and secure. First, open the PDF document you want to protect in a PDF editing software most commonly. This would be Adobe Acrobat Reader or Adobe Acrobat Pro if you're using a different program. Look for a File or Tools menu. Navigate to the File menu, and then select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings for your PDF. Within the Properties window, locate and click on the Security tab. This is where we'll be making our changes. Under the Security Method dropdown, choose Password Security. This option allows us to set restrictions using a password. Now look for the Permissions section. You'll see a list of actions that can be allowed or disallowed to prevent copying. You'll want to uncheck the box that says Copying of Content. Make sure the Enable Content Copying checkbox is also deselected, as this often controls the ability to select and copy text for even further protection. You can also uncheck Printing Allowed if you wish to prevent printing as well. If you want to prevent users from printing your document entirely, simply uncheck the Print option. This adds another layer of security. Once you've made your selections, click OK to apply these changes. You'll likely be prompted to enter a new password for these permissions. This password is different from a password that might be required to simply open the PDF. Enter a strong, unique password. Confirm this permission's password by entering it again. This ensures you don't accidentally lock yourself out of modifying these settings later. Finally, you'll need to save your PDF. Use the Save As option to create a new version of your document with the security settings applied. This ensures the original remains unchanged if needed. And that's it. Your PDF is now protected, making it significantly harder for anyone to copy or print its content without your explicit permission. Remember to keep your permissions password safe.